handing her the beach bag she bought when we went to the beach. Uncle came running up to the room. I am going to the grocery store. Anyone want anything apart from what your aunt told me to get? Uncle asked us. Oh, just a few packs of pre-cooked chicken for me, all of us said at the same time. So, you want me to go to the devil's cart to pick up 4 chicken breasts? Uncle moaned. Yes, we chorused. Did you rehearse? Uncle asked. No, Pepper said. Why do you think that? Percy, why on earth is the cat in the fish tank? She was hungry, and cat food wasn't on your list, so fed her the fish. Just then, Tyson, Millie and Rebecca came into the room, all muddy and sticky, and started crawling all over the clean laundry, like they do on laundry day. Ugh, guys, we spent an hour on that laundry, Pepper cried. Everyone, listen up. We gotta go to the spa to pick up a few things. Percy, please microwave the food that's in the fridge. And whatever you do, don't do what you did last week, when I went out with my old friends for the day. Yeah, when I did perfectly, but the kids didn't listen, and spoiled the food. No, I meant no takeout chicken today. They can't afford to have them sick. With these words, Aunt went off to get her mystery packet, a car facial at the spa. We packed a few more things and began to feel hungry. So we fed the triplets, gave them a bath, and put them to sleep. Should we ask Uncle Percy to heat the food, or should we do it ourselves? I asked the others. Do you think Uncle even knows how to do it? Pepper wondered. We went into the kitchen, trying to find him. He was standing over the oven, heating the food. Your aunt put the food in the oven. I moved it into the microwave, and set to bake at Irinnoral emoji C, for 10 minutes. We got the fire extinguisher, Pepper shouted, spraying the foam all over the oven. And I've got the window, I shouted. Amara got all the food out of the oven. It was all burnt. I think your aunt put the food in the right place. Uncle, can you make us grilled cheese? Tamara asked. Sure. Uncle Percy opened the fridge and got a few slices of cheese out. Oh look, it's already in little slices. Cooking is easy, he said, dropping it into the pan. He turned the gas top on, and a few seconds, it was a repeat of the oven story. We got the fire extinguisher, Pepper shouted, spraying the foam all over the gas top.